Activity 6.
Listen to the following story.
Two boys in a jungle. Amit was in Assam. He was staying with his friend Bhupen. Amit says, Assam is so beautiful. Isn't it? It has forests and rivers. Your forests have thick bushes, long creepers, thick trees, short trees and tall trees too. The leaves of the banana plants are glossy. Do ants skate on them? Bhupen says, certainly. They must have a lot of fun. Haven't they? Amit says, why are all the trees so tall? Bhupen says, they are tall because we get a lot of rain. The soil is very fertile. We have thick forest. Amit says, we have tall trees in Dang too. We also have forests. Bhupen says, Gujarat is famous for the lion, isn't it? Amit says, yes. We have a lion sanctuary. We also have wild ass sanctuary, sloth bear sanctuary, and many bird sanctuaries as well. Are there wild animals in Assam? Bhupen says, oh yes. Our Kaziranga is famous for one-horned rhino. It is the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It has elephants, wild buffaloes, and swamp deer. Next week, some of us from our school are going to camp in Kaziranga. We will see elephants and other animals. Amit says, will it be a real camp? Will you stay in tents and cook your own food? Bhupen says, yes, we will. Can you join us? Amit says, yes, why not? It will be a memorable experience for me. Bhupen says, we will enjoy the trekking. We will sing, dance, and enjoy the bonfire. Do join us. Amit says, I like it. The next week, Amit and Bhupen joined the camp. On the first day, they went out together to explore the forest. They saw many birds, insects, and animals. During the night, they lost their way. But soon they got back on track. Those moments were really thrilling for them. On the second day, it was late in the evening. the boys were a long way off from the camp. They were walking along the Brahmaputra river. They could hear the cries of animals all around them. Bhupen says, "Walk fast. We must get to the camp quickly." They heard the trumpet of elephants. Amit was excited. Amit says, "Do you think we'll see any elephants?" Bhupen says, "Wait." Suddenly, Bhupen stopped and held up his hand. They stood still and listened. Thump, thump, thump. A big animal was coming towards them. "It's an elephant," Bhupen whispered. They walked quickly on the grass and hid behind a big tree. A big black creature with white tusks, thick legs, big ears, small eyes, a long trunk was coming towards them. It was coming closer and closer. Amit says, "Bhupen, it's an elephant." What a big creature it is! I can't believe it. It's a dream. I have never seen a living elephant in my life. Can I see it from very near? Bhupen says, "Please, keep distance from the elephant." Bhupen was worried. There was a large elephant about 30 feet away. "He's angry." "Shh," Bhupen whispered. The elephant heard their voices. He smelled them too. He put his long trunk up in the air and trumpeted loudly. Bhupen and Amit could not move a bit. Bhupen was afraid. But Amit wasn't. He was enjoying himself. Slowly, the elephant came towards them. Now he was 25 feet away. He was shaking his head in anger. "He's going to attack us," Bhupen whispered to Amit. "We must do something." Bhupen pulled out a big brown paper bag from his pocket. There were some sweets in it. He threw away the sweets on the grass. He started to blow into the bag. Soon the bag was like a big balloon. He hit it hard with his hand. Fatak! What a loud voice it was! It echoed over the forest. The elephant stopped, trumpeted angrily, and turned away. He walked quickly through the tall grass and soon disappeared into the forest. What a useful trick! Both the boys felt relieved. He thought we had a gun, said Bhupen, laughing softly. Yes, said Amit. They walked towards the camp. After some time, Bhupen said, "Look, those are the lights of our camp." What a thrilling experience it was!